Hey Linda, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So, just taking a look at your site, you got a really nice header here. You got your logo, you got, of course, email, and then a click to call, which is awesome. You want to get on them, you want anyone coming to your site to get on phone with you as quick as possible. Then, of course, you have your different pages, why choose you, and then that is about it. So, really small and quaint website. Not a ton of content. You do show what you want, which is great. All another more of a hardwood floor specialist. What I would say, Google nowadays is looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage. The reason for that is so that you can put buyer intent words throughout your site. Now, before we get deeper into any of that, let's check behind the scenes and see what's going on with your website. So when we put in your URL, Hardwood Floor North Denver, out pops your rankings. So two things we look at are the UR rating and the DR rating. So the UR is the strength of your website. The DR is the trust Google places in your site. Now, ideally, we want both these numbers in between 30 and 40 with the ratio of 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. Now, the way we get this up is with your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. However, all backlinks are not created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a super spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your service. Now, another important thing are those organic keywords. What buyer intent words is Google ranking you for? So let's check them out. S&S Flooring, S&S Flooring, S&S. It seems a lot of your name right now. Of course, North Glen, which is great to rank for that. It's not as high volume, but it's still a good keyword to try and rank for. Right now, you're on the third page. Hardwood floor installation, awesome. Right now, you're on the third page. And if we keep going down, we're going to see the top one, which is there's Hardwood Denver. Could have sworn I saw it, but apparently not. So the top one in Denver is Flooring Denver. 800 people a month search for this keyword. So first thing that pops up when you search it are your ads. These are the people that are paying to be front and center for this great keyword. And every time someone clicks on it, they get charged. Now, second thing is the GMB. Now, the Google Map Pack is super important to get on because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people. Not because they're the best, just because that's the easiest thing for them to do. They're the top three, it's no headache. Then you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now, your top competitor, Colorado Flooring. So let's check them out. So Colorado Flooring, they have a bunch of different style that they work with, not just hardwood. So they're going to be a little different because they're going to rank for different keywords as well, not just hardwood flooring and regular flooring. But if we go through their site, as you can see, they don't have much content either. Um, it's like a one-page site, and then you have to visit all their other pages. But let's take a look behind the scenes and see why they're number one. So first things up, you have their UR. Their strength is a 30, and their trust is a 2.3. So still stuff they can work on. They have a great strength, but not as much trust. But what they are doing extremely well are their backlinks. They have almost 1,000 different backlinks helping their site along, as well as they're ranking for almost 1,000 different keywords. So let's check out what their keywords are. Flooring Denver. As I said, 800 people search that a month. They're in the first real position, as you saw. They're getting a whopping 325 people just from that one keyword, which is insane. Colorado Flooring, that's them, of course, but that's still no, that's them. 700 people, of course, they're going to be the front and get people from that. Denver Flooring Stores, 115 out of 300. So as you can see, they're ranking for great buyer intent words that are more generic buyer intent keywords, and they're getting a ton of traffic just from those. So if we're looking to beat them out, get that traffic for yourself. First things first, you got to raise those backlinks. You want to beat out your competition by about the 141 you have here. So the great thing is you can just go to their 993, take the good ones that are working for them, add them to yours, and then that'll help boost what you already have. And of course, beat them out because you're taking what they have. And then of course, you need that content. You want the 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, as well as 5 to 750 words on all your service pages and others, so that you can organically place buyer intent keywords throughout your site so that Google can start ranking you for them. Now, put those two together, you'll have a strong site that's ranking for high buyer intent words. And of course, that'll get you more traffic to your site and more calls through your website. Now, I hope you found this helpful, Linda. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. You have a blessed rest of your day.